What's the meaning of cherrywood? Cherrywood. Cherrywood.
Cherrywood. Cherrywood. Cherrywood refers to the wood from cherry trees, which is valued for its beauty and durability. It has a reddish-brown color with a fine, straight grain that gives it a distinctive look. It is often used in furniture making, cabinetry, and flooring due to its strength and unique appearance. Cherrywood is prized for its ability to darken with age, creating a rich patina that makes it even more desirable. Overall, cherrywood is a high-quality material that adds both aesthetic appeal and longevity to any project it is used in.